Social Security disability benefits. Hey, you or someone else may have suffered a significant injury or illness and are considering Social Security disability benefits. What do you need to show in order to be considered disabled by the Social Security Administration? Okay, Social Security Administration will go through a variety of criteria in determining disability, but we can summarize this into a couple of important things. First of all, someone seeking Social Security disability benefits must be disabled for 12 months. That means they could have already been disabled for 12 months, or that it's anticipated they could be disabled for 12 months. Let's take two examples. One, somebody might have suffered a very severe injury, back injury, broken back. They've already been disabled for 12 months, anticipated they'll still be disabled for a bit more, but they've already been disabled for 12 months, they can apply for Social Security disability benefits. Somebody else, diagnosis, as an example, of cancer. They're going to have to go through a severe and long program of chemotherapy. That chemotherapy is wiping them out. It's anticipated it'll go on for maybe as much as 18 months or so. That person can apply for Social Security disability benefits because it's anticipated that person will be disabled for 12 months. Okay. What else do you need to show? Well, you need to show you cannot engage in substantial gainful employment. What is substantial gainful employment? Substantial gainful employment basically means you can't hold a job. Can't hold a job, any kind of a job that's available in the national economy. What kind of jobs are available in the national economy? Everything under the sun. Brain surgery, a greeter at Walmart. What is available in the national economy and what can you do? That takes you to the next step. What kind of residual skills do you have? When we talk about residual skills, we're talking about basic skills. Somebody who can't read will be disqualified for many jobs in an office or various other environments that generally are considered as sedentary in nature. So basic ability to read, important. Also a variety of other things. When it comes to physical activity, it's the ability to perform certain function. Can you lift? Can you walk? Can you climb stairs? Can you do a variety of things? Can you sit for a prolonged period of time? All of these factors will be considered as to whether or not you can engage in substantial gainful employment. If it is found that you cannot engage in substantial gainful employment, you become eligible for Social Security disability benefits, which will continue for the period of your disability. If you improve, the benefits will end. Someone who may have already been injured may have what is referred to as a closed period of disability. That means that they have been injured, they've been disabled for 14 months, and then they improve, they can go back to work. Well, for 14 months, they would be eligible for Social Security disability benefits, and they can apply retroactively. All right. At the end of the day, what do we need? What do we need? We need to have someone who has suffered an injury or disability of some kind that's going to keep them out of work for 12 months. 2, we need to have a situation that somebody cannot engage in substantial gainful employment. Not only can't do their own job, but can't do any job in the national economy that's generally available. And 3, it can be a combination of things that render somebody disabled. It can be an injury. It can also be an illness on top of that injury. Somebody that might have the emphysema, they have trouble breathing, they're very labored in what they can do, may suffer a severe injury to their leg and back, a broken leg, a broken hip, that requires wearing a large cast for a long period of time. That additional effort basically renders the person disabled when combined with the emphysema. So at the end of the day, you need to be disabled for 12 months. You can't engage in any substantial gainful employment, and you basically are someone who is going to have a combination of things, or a single thing like an injury, that renders you disabled. Okay, we bring you this video as you bring you videos every week so you understand how the law works. I'm David Allen.